Hey y'all, come on into the kitchen. Can you tell I don't feel like cooking? I swear, I don't feel like cooking. But you know what? My husband came home sick. Come on over here. And he still went outside and washed 2 cars. Uh-oh, that need to be a little bit higher. That's how we staying out of debt. Because we saving money. I usually sprinkle, look, let me show you what I usually do. What I teach you how to do, sprinkle a little bit of this on here. And if the flour doesn't sizzle, it's not ready. See, I told y'all, I don't feel like cooking. But I'm going to come on into this kitchen anyway. In fact, I went into the bathroom to fix my hair. And I said, no, YoBo, don't fix your hair. Because I want y'all to really see that I don't feel like cooking. Let me tell you what I have. I have some mixed vegetables. I have 2 potatoes. I have garlic salt, Creole seasoning, black pepper. I have some chicken, some raw chicken, because I'm going to show you what I'm doing, even though I don't feel like doing it. And I have some flour. Let me first get my vegetables cooking. Whoops. Sorry about that. I have some boiling water. My vent is on, so I hope you hear me. So let me start my potatoes cooking. My mixed vegetables, and add a little seasoning. It looks like I'm shaking a lot, but it's not a lot because all these vegetables are really bland. I'm gonna put, I'll put some oil on them when they're done. So I'm gonna let this cook by itself. I have some chicken. Here's my bag of chicken nuggets. All of this came from, I think, oh, it's ready now. I think all of this came from 1 chicken breast. Hey, I think I forgot to turn on the air. Should I go turn it on? You okay? Okay, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna put this chicken here. All these chicken nuggets. This is real chicken breasts, real nuggets, and I purposely prepared these for one of my I don't feel like cooking days. Sometimes you have that burst of inspiration when you feel like cooking, and you can do some of anything. Hold on a minute, y'all. Keep the camera on there while I turn on the air. I'll be right back, y'all. It's hot out there. Okay. I'm on my way back. I forgot to turn on some air. Good Lord. It's hot in here. Okay. Wash my hands. Sometimes you have that burst of inspiration where you feel like cooking, and other days like today you don't. And I knew today was going to be one of those days, so I purposely planned, come on over here, babe. I purposely planned, I can use this, my meal for today. I had hubby get the crock pot out the garage, but unfortunately, our crock pot ended up going to crock pot heaven before he could get it inside. So I couldn't prepare today's meal. Okay, I got some potatoes right here. Look, I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna cook those French fries. The chicken. I'm gonna do some fries, as we call them. See how quick it is to peel them? And as soon as that chicken is ready, I'm gonna drop these fries into that hot oil. 1 potato down and 1 to go. We are seriously working on getting out of debt. My husband went outside, not feeling well, and washed 2 cars. Babe, how much did you say it costs to go to the car wash in Houston?
$20 to $25.
$20 to $25. So guess what we did? We got us a financial miracle today. We saved $40. Okay, now I'm going to get these ready. 2 little potatoes. Wait a minute. Excuse me, babe. One way to save money is try to buy some things that will give you multiple meals. I got 4 more potatoes in this bag. I got them for $1.50. I have made 4 baked potatoes. I did some stewed potatoes. I did some French fried potatoes. Look, if I want to do some potatoes for breakfast, I can do that too. And now I'm taking, I don't like this knife. Let me get my favorite knife. And now I'm taking the same bag of potatoes that I got for $1.50. And watch me. I'm making some homemade french fries. Honey, if you ain't never had homemade french fries, woo-wee, you miss it out. If you got a big family, you want to go ahead and invest in a fryer. Like I said, I had a double fryer, but as of last night, my fryer's gone too. I mean my crock. Oh, I still got my fryer, my crock pot. My crock pot going to crock pot heaven. I still have my fryer, but it's big. But look how I'm doing these. And some of you think, well, YoBo, you've been doing that for a long time. You just good at it. My husband would tell you, when we got married, I did not know the first thing about cooking other than tacos, enchiladas, hot dogs, chili dogs.
It's a good thing we both worked at McDonald's.
And we both worked at McDonald's, okay? So if we didn't feel like cooking, we grabbed something from McDonald's. You can do that when you're young. These fries are ready. Let's come on over here. This is my, this is my I don't feel like cooking. I'm going to let them cook a little bit more. So let me show you what I did. Let's go back over here. Tonight, I'm not feeling inspired, but do you remember when I showed you how to do the chicken nuggets? Let me show you what I did. This is one chicken breast, one pack with 4 in it for less than $6. Let me show you how many nuggets we're going to get out of here. I taught you before that you want to cut against the grain. Let's come up close on this, as close as you can, babe, because last video we really couldn't see it. Do you see? We'll hold it back just a little bit. Do you see these lines going across this way? You may not be able to see it because I couldn't see it in the video. He's going to enlarge. Okay, there you go. Perfect, babe. These lines going across here. This is the grain. You don't want to cut in the same direction as the grain, because when you pull off the meat to eat it, it's going to be stringy. You want to cut against the grain. So lines going this way, I'm going to cut it this way. And what I'm going to do is make some more chicken fingers and chicken nuggets. Just going to cut these, and I'm going to prepare another batch. So when I feel like I don't want to cook, or if unexpected company comes over, I've already got these ready to go. Thank you, babe, for looking over there. They're doing okay. Alrighty, let's do that. And we're going to cut this. Let's make, if you want to make chicken nuggets for the grandkids, then you just take this, just like that. Okay. We're going to put them into bite-sized pieces. That'll be one piece. And let's look how many pieces we have. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 nuggets. And look at these fingers. We have, you know, let's just say you're making them for the grandkids, okay? I like my stuff crunchy. Let's just go ahead and cut it. All right. And all we're doing, I'm just making myself another batch of I don't feel like cooking chicken. Okay, let's come on over here, babe. Let's look at what we got working over here. I don't want to overdo it. I swear I don't feel like cooking today. I felt myself coming down with something, and my husband said he felt himself coming down with something. And while I'm doing this, I sure got to tell you all, I appreciate all the love you give me on these videos. Sometimes I feel like I'm overdoing it, and I don't need to post another video. But you all come right along and see how it helps you so much. Okay, look at this. Woo! Perfect. Okay, now let's come on over here and let's get this ready. Just like I don't feel like cooking today, there's going to be another day when I don't feel like cooking. So what I'm going to do is get this one chicken breast prepared. Shout out to, oh, thank you, babe. God, my cameraman is the business. Ain't he the business? He is the business. Shout out to my cousin, Crystal Hunter, who said she keeps her flour in the freezer. She uses it one time, puts it in a Ziploc bag. She keeps it in the freezer. Crystal knows exactly what she is talking about, because Crystal's grandmother and my daddy were siblings. They lived through the Depression. They were from the country. where you don't waste food. So this is some of the flour that I had from my last batch. Okay, now I'm going to take this plate, get a little piece of parchment paper. I might be almost out of parchment paper. Okay, parchment paper right there. And now I'm going to take these pieces of coated chicken. I'm going to freeze them on the plate like this. They're not touching. So when they're frozen, I'm going to remove them from this plate and I'm going to put them in the Ziploc bag. Look at all this. All this from one breast. I got 4 breasts for less than $6. So I might have paid, I paid less than $1.50 for all this. Let me make sure I got all the pieces of chicken out. Here go a couple more pieces here. Okay. And if you inadvertently left one in there, it's okay because that bag is going in the freezer. Okay, next I'm going to put my chicken coating right here, my flour, back into the freezer. I'm going to put these chicken nuggets in the freezer. Tomorrow I'm going to take them out and I'll put them in a Ziploc bag. I'm just going to stick the plate right there. I'm going to take them out, let them sit up for a few minutes. I got my dishwater already ran. I'm at almost 12 minutes. I'm going to get this chicken out of here. It's ready. Let's remove this chicken. Look, all this is ready. We'll let it drain on here. Just like this. I'm going to tell you one thing about me. When I don't feel like cooking, I always feel like eating. Here we go. That right there. That goes right there. And remember I cut my potatoes? I want this fire to be a little bit hotter. Okay, I just threw this potato in here. It's not sizzling like I want it to sizzle. Okay, there it's going. Okay, let me give this grease just a couple more minutes. Come on over here, please, babe. These mixed vegetables are cooking on their own. When they're done, I'm going to drain them. And I'm going to add a little butter or olive oil and some seasoning. Oh, shoot. I'll put my sugar in there. I always add a little bit of sugar to my vegetables. Now look at that potato over there. Okay. Look at that potato. See where that potato seed is sizzling? I want to do the same. Okay, that's how I want it. Put all these potatoes in here. And now we got ourselves some homemade French fries. That's going to cook on its own while this chicken is cooling a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and wash some dishes over here.
Can you season the fries while here? Or
you can season your fries before you put them in here. That's a good question, babe. I tell you.
While it's in there or after?
You can season them while they're in here. What I found is that some of the seasoning will go to the bottom. But you can. Let me show you. If you want to season them while you're in here, you just do like that. Season them and let them cook. But after they're done, you're going to see a little bit of salt at the bottom. A lot of it's going to go to the bottom. Well, y'all, the whole prep time, where am I at, babe? 14. I'm about to go sit down and let these French fries cook. We're going to be eating in the next 5 minutes. So I appreciate you all coming to the kitchen. I swear, I didn't feel like cooking tonight. And look, I got this chicken over here fried. I got, 14 what?
15.
I got the French fries cooking. I got another batch of chicken nuggets in the freezer. So when I don't feel like cooking, I'm good to go. And when these vegetables were 99 cents a pack, I stocked up on them. I'm going to post a picture of the food. All right, y'all, I got to go wash these dishes. See y'all. Bye-bye. Ooh, these are good.